Hello boys and girls, we are working on lesson 57 in our Saxon math, and the first thing we're going to do is draw a 4-inch line segment. So you're going to start at 0 and go to 4 inches, and line segment means you have 2 endpoints. 3.5. Now this is something that you don't have a lot of experience with. It's going to be between the 3 and the 4, and it's going to be that longest tick mark that's halfway between the 3 and the 4. Now remember, on our date, we have went to a new year. So we are in the first month. I don't know what day you're doing this on, in the 2021. Each child, each tells me to multiply or divide, paid a quarter for a milk. There are 10 children. How much money is that? So 10 times 25. Now, remember, as my students like to say in the past, you just add that 0 to the end. So it's 25 with a 0 added to the end because there's only one 0 here. 25 with a 0. How much is that, though? That's 250 cents, or $2.50. What is the smallest 2-digit number? Smallest 2-digit number would be 10. Largest 3-digit number is 999, because those are the largest numbers we can use. Now, I could have put a 0 here, but then that really wouldn't have been a 2-digit number, would it? Laura made a pictograph of her letters. How many S's did Laura have? Now, I want you to look at this key. Each block is worth 10. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. So 8 times 10 is 80. How many W's? 1. How many more L's than U's? So if I go down here, there's 1 L, so that would be 10. Write 90 divided by 10 3 ways. 90 divided by 10 3 ways. 90 divided by 10 equals 9. So I can write it that way. I can write 90 in my box because he's my dividend. He talks to his divisor to get a quotient. I can write 90 over 10 as a fraction. Or of course I can do it the standard way and write 90 divided by 10. What are the smudged digits? 2 plus 10 is 12. So 4 plus what equals 12? 3 times 7 is 21. 20 plus what equals 21? 60 plus what equals 90? Round each number to the tenths and add. Well, this would be 60. This would be 80. And what is the total? This is 80. This is 30. So what would the sum be? Find your pattern. My rule is plus, because I'm getting bigger, and I'm getting bigger by 1. My rule or pattern would be I'm going up by 10. Please go ahead and complete this pattern. And that concludes today's lesson.